I'm Duncan Cottrell, the entry enforcer. I'm going to tell you how we reinforce double doors, also called French doors. The challenge with these is both doors are hinged. Kicking the door can cause both doors to fly open. The most important part of reinforcing double doors is the night lock, with a plate that screws to the floor and a fence that barricades both doors, but will move out of the way when you want to open the door and go out. When you want to open both doors, you simply remove the whole fence entirely and both doors will swing over that plate. If you do nothing else for double doors, do the night lock, which comes in several colors to match your decor. We want to stabilize the top of this inactive door. To do that, we use a door guardian, a hinged device that has a spring in it that snap locks it into a notch. With long screws through the bracket into the header, the door guardian barricades the top of the door from being forced in and makes the stationary door as sturdy like the wall as we can get it. You are able to hinge it out of the way easily when you want to open the door. Now that door guardian is barricading the top of the door so it's stable enough, we reinforce all the vulnerable spots with steel, starting with the jamb itself, where we put a 4-foot piece of steel and anchor it with long screws, 9 of them. Then any force that's applied to the door gets transferred onto the steel and dissipated. After the jamb is reinforced, we put a steel door shield around the edge of the door at the deadbolt and the latch to keep the edge of the door from busting out. It's rounded so it's concentric with the shape of the locks. It's powder coated to match either the color of the door or the color of the satin nickel hardware or the color of the oil rubbed bronze hardware. One way to reinforce the full view glass is to install clear security film that goes on the surface of the glass with a super strong adhesive, bonding to the glass and holding the shards in place if it gets broken. This will work for some doors and not for others. It works best if there is a glass break sensor in the alarm system. Another way to prevent break-ins through the full view glass is to install clear, unbreakable Lexan shield over the glass. It's held in a metal frame that is secured to the door with security head screws and can be beat on all day with a sledgehammer without breaking.